As a part of number theory, from last two classes we are solving different problems to find reminders and to recall divisibility rules and division algorithm. At the end of last class, I mentioned you these two problems to solve by you all. See this bit. We need to find this remainder when this particular 7 power 2019 plus 8 power 2020 plus 9 power 2021 is divided by 8. As we discussed in the last class, see when you divide 7 with 8, see just I am erasing this, I am going to find out remainder now. When you divide this 7 with 8, you will get remainder as minus 1. Okay, so your remainder is minus 1 since power 2019. So the remainder obtained when this number is divided by 8 is minus 1 power 2019, and that is minus 1. 8 power 2020 is clearly a multiple of 8. When you divide this number with 8, you will get your remainder as 0. And when you divide this 9 with 8, your remainder is 1. Since power 2021 is given, that is 1 power 2021, that is equals to 1. At the end, remainders obtained by dividing these three numbers consecutively is minus 1, 0 and 1. Since we need to find the remainder obtained by dividing this sum with 8, so your final remainder is simply nothing but minus 1 plus 0 plus 1, and that is 0. So when you divide this summation with 8, remainder is 0. So this is a multiple of 8 at the end. Okay, if you have any confusion related to this way of writing reminders, you just revise last class once again. Okay, right. Whereas coming to this problem, see 120 power 2021, when you divide this number with 11 square, what is the remainder? Since 11 square is 121, we need to think about this number. See 120 is just 1 less than this 121, so the remainder obtained when you divide 120 with 121 is minus 1, and since it is 120 power 2021, you need to multiply minus 1 power 2021 times, and at the end your remainder is minus 1. See, remainder is minus 1, but usually we mention only positive quantities as the remainder, right? Since remainder is minus 1, in the sense what it means, if you add 1 for the given number, it becomes 120 multiple, so you need to subtract 120, so final remainder is 121 minus 1, and that is again 120. You just have a look. If you divide this number with this 11 square, you left with 120 as the remainder. Okay, right. So as I said, if you have any confusion related to this, you just revise your last class once again. Now I am going to start this class with this particular problem. See, usually you will face this problem in many books. Just observe this problem. What is the remainder when this 32 power 32 power 32 is divided by 7? See, there are many ways to solve this problem, as I mentioned in the previous class. One way is by using congruent modulo. Other way is by using algebra of binomial theorem of algebra. And now we are using simple remainder properties to solve this type of problems. Okay, again this problem needs our knowledge related to the remainder properties, as we discussed in the last two classes. Okay, very simple it is to solve. Just you try once and then I will discuss. Okay, so now we need to find out the remainder when this 32 power 32 power 32 is divided by 7, right? To solve this problem, see, the knowledge of previous problems like fifth problem and sixth problem are very useful, right? See, 32 power 32 power 32, when it is divided by 7, we need to find the remainder. See, as we discussed in the previous problems, we need to express this base 32 power anything as a number nearer to 7, we need to express. See, we know that 32 is actually 2 power 5, right? So you just have a look. 32 power 32 power 32. This is equals to 2 power 5 power something actually. I don't need that something I have. See, you just have a look. Since it is 7 and here the base is 2, the If the base is like 8, if it is 8, then when you divide that 8 with 7, you will get a remainder 1. When you divide 8 with 7, you will get remainder 1. That means this is very clear idea with us. When you divide 2 cube with 7, the remainder is 1. Since the base is 2, I need to search for 2 cube. I need to try to make this number 2 cube power something. So as a part of trial, see, since it is 2 power 5, so in this 5, no, 3 is not available. So we need to search for 3 in this number. This is simply nothing but 32 power 32, right? So first of all, we need to pay attention on 32 power 32. You just try to express this number as some 3 multiple some plus something like that. See, first of all, before going to find the remainder when this total number is divided by 7, my first idea is thinking about 32 power 32. Okay, see, 32 power 32, first of all, I will try to find the remainder when it is divided by 3. When it is divided by 3, okay, so 3. Have a look. When you divide 32 with 3, what will happen? When you divide 32 with 3, when you divide 32 with 3, I see the remainder is 2 simply, right? Or I have to say the remainder is minus 1. Is it right or wrong? Just have a look. There is a chance to express 32 as 3 into 11 minus 1, okay? And so 32 power 32. When you divide this 32 with 3, the remainder is 1, okay? 32 power 32, when you divide with 3, what will happen? Since it is 32 into 32 into 32 into 32 for 32 times, for every number you left with minus 1 as your remainder. So final remainder is simply nothing but minus 1 power 32, and minus 1 power 32 is 1. So 1 is the remainder at the end when you divide this number with 3. So when you divide this number, total 32 power 32 with 3, 1 is the remainder. So therefore I will write 32 power 32 as 3 multiple plus 1. So finally 32 power 32 is 3 multiple plus 1. Since 32 power 32 is 3 multiple plus 1, then you just think about 32 power 32 power 32. Okay. So what I do is now 32 power 32 power 32 is equals to base 32 is 2 power 5, and this 32 power 32 is 3 multiple plus 1. You just try to simplify. This is equals to 2 power 5 into 3m, okay? This is 2 power 15 multiple plus 5, and that is equals to 2 power 3 power 5m into 2 power 5 is 32. You just have it. 2 power 3 power 5m into 32. So now we need to find out the remainder when this 32 power 32 power 32 is divided by 7. So if you observe, this is 2 cube. When you divide this 2 cube with 7, you left with 1 as remainder. When you divide this 32 with 7, what is the remainder? See, at the end, you just have a look. I am erasing this for the space concern. Okay? Yeah. So now this 32 power 32 power 32 is nothing but 8 power 5m into 32, and we need to find out the remainder when it is divided by 7. As a part of that, you just think about this one and separately about this one. When you divide 8 with 7, 1 is the remainder. So 1 power 5m, here it is the remainder. And when you divide 32 with 7, what will happen? Okay, you just have a look. 7 fours is 28. Okay, and you left with 4. 1 power anything is 1 into 4, you left with 4, and at the end 4 is the remainder when this 32 power 32 power 32 is divided by 7. Is it clear? You just have a look once again. Okay? Yeah. First of all, I am trying to express this 32 power 32 as some 3 multiple plus 1. Okay? So 3 into something, okay, like that. When you divide this 32 with 3, you left with minus 1 as remainder, so the total number gives you remainder as minus 1 power 32 and 1 is the remainder at the end. So this number is 3 multiple plus 1. So write this 32 power 32 as 3 multiple plus 1. And now you just try to express it like 2 cube power 5m into 32, and then it gives you 1 as remainder at the end, and this 32 leaves 4 as remainder when divided by 7. So 1 into 4 is the 4, and final remainder for this problem is 4. Okay, just have a look. Just for the analyzation and for our discussion, see, I mentioned everything on the board, but while solving, you need to analyze the problem, you need to think about the problem, how to solve, and it is a simple problem actually. Just have a look.